The Litheli 18-inch electric self-propelled lawnmower features an advanced brushless motor, improving power efficiency and reducing maintenance needs for a seamless mowing experience. With a 6-position height adjustment ranging from 0.98 inches to 2.95 inches, this mower allows for versatility in catering to different grass types and seasonal requirements. The 18-inch cutting width paired with a 10.57-gallon grass collection bag ensures that this mower covers larger areas quickly, minimizing the need for frequent emptying. The self-propelled feature offers variable speed control from 1.3 miles per hour to 2.9 miles per hour, making mowing effortless and efficient across different terrains. Equipped with two 4.0 ampere-hour batteries, the mower provides an extended runtime of over 30 minutes, allowing you to complete your mowing tasks without constant recharging. Although the charger is not included, the lightweight design of this cordless mower makes it easy to maneuver and handle in any garden or yard.